Welcome to Tech Tip Daily. Today I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT and how to sign up for ChatGPT for beginners in a quick and efficient manner. So to begin, simply go to Google Chrome, open it up, and type chat.openai.com. That'll bring us right to the ChatGPT site, and you're making sure you're on the right one. You'll want to accept whatever, and you're going to want to go ahead and sign up because you can use it for free, but it's best to do it through a free account. You don't have to pay anything at this point for the standard ChatGPT. So you can either sign in with a Google account, Microsoft account, Apple, or I'm pretty sure you can just create one with a regular email address. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. When you sign in with Google or anything else, you're going to ask you for your email or phone number and then prompt you to also put in your password, and you're going to have to go ahead and connect that account to OpenAI. It's, to my understanding, it's completely safe and it's super easy. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So when doing this, it basically prompted this, and it does somewhat of a two-factor authorization that you'd get on your phone or wherever else you have your Google account located. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that, and it's going to let me in. And then just like that, I should be able to continue in. And as you can see, they're going to ask to share and basically connect my account to OpenAI. I'm going to go ahead and continue. And I'm just going to create a quick name and whatever, which you'd have to do yourself. In this case, I'm just going to put tech tips, and we'll do the birthday. I don't think it really matters. Let's just do today, which is 05/29, and we'll just do 1990 for fun. Doesn't really matter. They don't need to know this information. And then just like that, you're in ChatGPT in OpenAI. Now, once in ChatGPT, you can go ahead and ask it any questions. So I'll go ahead and ask, how old is Joe Biden, for fun? Let's just see. And they'll answer your question, and there's all kinds of different little settings that you can play around with. But once you basically fill out that, once you fill out the sign up and you're in, you basically can utilize ChatGPT for free and ask it basically whatever questions that you'd like it to. You can also do photo generations and almost anything that most AIs are capable of right now on the free plan. You can also go ahead and upgrade your plan down here, which would require, obviously, for you to pay, but that would give you more benefits and the newest models of ChatGPT. Sorry, the computer crashed during that recording. Anyway, like I was saying, basically you have the tools option here as well, where you can create images, search the web for specific things. You can literally write or code, and you can run a deep research, which you have about 5 of those for your free account. And you can also ask it to think for longer and basically really process what you're asking for it. You can ask it, for instance, to, in the most basic way possible, write an essay short on why space is real. And it could basically like give you a short essay, and you can adjust the length of that and basically have it produce any type of information that you'd want it to based on facts that it'll be searching for on the web. And obviously, if you had the upgraded plan, you'd be able to adjust the parameters more and have the most up-to-date AI software. However, even on the free version, there's a ton of stuff that you can do with it using tools and image generation and everything. If you were to upgrade, you can click down here and basically see that there's like the free version. You see everything that's included. With the Plus, which is only $20 a month, which most people use, you can see all the stuff that's also included. And if you really want to go all in with the $200 a month, you can get a bunch of other, and I guess the most up-to-date stuff that comes with ChatGPT and OpenAI. So hopefully that helped you guys understand how to create a OpenAI ChatGPT account and how to use it on the most basic level. If this was helpful to you guys, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.